going on, yo? Jimmy Macro. I'm talking about episode 7 of season 5 of Sons of Anarchy. Last we saw, it was officially revealed. I thought it was revealed a couple episodes ago, at the very least. Clay's behind these break-ins. Him and the nomads. Motherfucker. Let's get to it.
These break-ins were supposed to put pressure on Jax, not a homicide investigation on me.
Shit, we didn't want to hit the cop. You're the one that sent us over.
You killed her!
It was an accident!
Tell that to the DA!
Clay stinks! Fucking, soy sauce head's not a great actor. And, oh no. Jesus, oh, Gemma. Oh, that's, the guy from Community? Yeah. Clay stinks. Jesus, I hate Clay so much. And I'm so impressed. Oh, fuck you. Please stop going there. I don't ask much to her. Please don't do this. You have kids to think about.
You'll see.
You've been busy.
Clearly. Go ahead.
It's good to have a hobby.
A lot of guns, too.
He ain't looking all that smart. Who does it for him? Who's new?
Look at Answer go!
Nomads are staying at Lowell's old place on Bethel. Why don't you stop by? Tell them you're a friend of the club, just giving an introduction. Feel those guys out a little bit.
Fuck no!
What about Clay?
And we've got the... What the fuck?
My wallet.
Wow!
Damn it! Shit! No! No, you son of a...
Into this world.
Oh, Gemma.
And we heard the guys responsible.
Whatever you need, brother. You know that.
Absolutely.
Jackson's not very subtle at all, is he? That was awesome.
Maybe you should remember that.
Seriously.
Ready, let's go.
Run, Hunters! Fast as you can.
Knocked my wallet in my SUV. I don't remember his name.
Jesus Christ. Who are you?
Oh!
She's a goddamn train wreck.
She's still your mother, I say. Respect that. But she's caught between a husband she hates and a kid she thinks hates her. Women like your moms, Jax, they don't do so good without family. Go easy.
Yo, Wendy.
Love Nero!
Jackson.
Guys, they found the escalator. And the dude is there.
What?
Otto, huh? We're gonna have to say something to each other sooner or later.
No, we won't.
That shit killed me.
No worries. Just don't do it here, huh?
That's him.
Hey! Hey! Let me fuck that up! Oh, shit! Oh!
So, is this called even? No, we won't.
Get out of town, sir.
You gonna put on your mask? You gonna break in? You gonna kill him?
Clay
Have something when I see
has them all get killed. Insulate himself.
Friends. You ready to go?
Pretty much. I packed our bags. I just need to go by St. Thomas and change a few appointments, pick up the boys.
Alright, great.
It's gonna go horribly. It always goes horribly. I just want Tara to be okay. That's all I care about. I don't ask for much. I think he's improved his walk. That walk was god awful.
I knew how wrong that was. I love you, Mom. And we're gonna get through all this. I promise.
That was sweet. And fucking creepy. And more sweet.
It's alright.
Shockingly honest with one another.
What's going on?
Hey, we should talk. Can I come in?
You ain't gonna like what I done to the place.
Never have.
God damn.
What do you want? Made a lot of mistakes, Wayne. Nobody's seen more of them than you. If this is a confessional, maybe you should let me turn on a recorder.
I got you on, sir. You wouldn't have
Good Lord. You were a good friend, Wayne.
Fuck. Is he gonna kill all of them?
Sorry I wrecked that time.
Oh, shit! I wasn't trying to sabotage Jack. You think I would have stopped him from blowing your head off?
Maybe sentimentality got the best of you.
Ain't my nature.
I put a 9 in his skull because he kept coming at me. Okay. Watch your back, Wayne. You still want him out there.
Go ahead, sir. Please tell me you don't completely buy Clay's nonsense.
I'm watching.
Yeah, buddy. Fucking Clay's an animal.
Why the hell would the Nomads try and kill Alonso?
Unser's been digging into these home invasions. He thinks they might be internal.
Maybe.
We track down Frankie. Maybe we get the truth.
All right.
Speak up, Juice. I can't knock him out, though.
Excuse me.
This cocksucker. He looks ridiculous. That would be the kind of car he drives, though.
More people would do that, there'd be less bodies lying on the floors. Don't do it again.
Where is she?
She went to see Unser. You should give her a call. Thank you.
Look at Jack's working.
I got some shit to handle here. It's gonna be a while before we can leave.
Let me head up. Gemma can pick up the boys here.
No!
Where are they?
At the clubhouse. You can pick them up here. There's plenty of milk pumped in the fridge.
Yeah, okay.
How happy she is.
I'm trusting you.
To get home to your family, I need to talk to your friend.
Come on, man.
Hey, go home.
So what now? Band members, they're traitors.
Jesus Christ, Clay. You gotta tell the club.
I got a feeling you might already know.
Jack is frightening. Jesus.
No O2. Must be breathing a little easier. Then let's find Frankie. Get the truth, take it to the table. Let Sam Crow decide who lives and dies.
Fair enough.
Okay, Clay's stone cold, boy. Just... I said what I said. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Ah, sucker. What was that about? Frankie? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. The fuck did she smoke? Oh, my God. Are you serious? Oh, shit! Alright, that was episode 7 of season 5 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? Why? Why? I mean, you know the actual why. Gemma is tired. Remember, she's been up since she fucking had to take a piss in the middle of the night. And she, I don't want to say she's high. It seems so silly. Like, really. It's a long drive. I get the why in story it happened, but why do we have to keep doing these awful fucking things? This feels so... You know what it is? I don't... Gemma kind of redeemed herself. Redeemed is strong, but you know what I mean? Like, I... This is a lot. This is a lot. This is a big one. Gemma, I felt, grew having a conversation with Jax, having a conversation with Funzer. And now it's all going to go to shit. Particularly if this kid dies. Even if he lives, it's an issue with Jax and Tara, most certainly. And fucking Wendy, who I didn't forget about. It just feels egregious. It just feels over the top. Like, how much can we do? Like, she's suffered enough. She's been nothing but suffering this season. Let's not forget about the fucking gang rape in episode 1 of season 2. Like, come on, enough. Enough. God damn. I'm going to assume that, forget his name, fucking soy sauce head, was responsible for the hit and run. You got a black guy in the car, a black guy gets caught. It looks like Pope. Great. Fucking Clay. Go ahead, sir. I can't really talk about anything. I'm so bothered by that Gemma thing. That's so gross. All this stuff happened. And it was cool. Fucking Mean Jax, Gangsta Ass Jax, Jax Corleone, I'm a huge fan of. He is tiptoeing his way, because he's walking different mostly, and not George Jefferson in it, into Stall and Tara category. Like, he's 3, but the gap between 3 and 1-2 is preposterous. But with this recent streak he's been on, since Opie's bit the bullet, Jax is going to run for it with good form, clearly. I love Nero. I said it before. I'll say it fucking again. His talking to Jax about what's going on. It's weird. It seems like he's running across these father figures that his dad didn't get time to be, and that Clay was never going to be, with Pope, which is kind of like a dark reflection of it, but a useful one, so to speak. Dark. And Nero, who told we need to hear, hey, she's still your mom, you ass. Jesus, give her a break. I don't want to think about how Jax and Tara gonna feel about this. This is a downer. This was just ugh. Anyway. Post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Malcolm. It's time for episode 8 of season 5 of Sons of Anarchy. It's been forever since I watched 7. I'm not sure when this is getting released. My bad. But after fucking Gemma got in a car accident, I'm just now looking forward to this episode. How much can this is a lot. I think we've jumped the shark on the amount of fucking damage we can do to fucking ancillary characters here. I'm kind of over it. Let's get to it. I'm not looking forward to this episode. That's why it's taking so long, if you're wondering. I'm not. It's been a struggle to pretend to fucking want to watch it.
You've been in a car accident, and I need you to stay calm and hold still so we can help you. What's your name? Man, can you tell me your name?
Oh, he's alive at least.
Yeah, you got it. Shit.
Jesus Christ.
Take one to answer. Have him ID the prince. I want affiliations, who he works for, everything.
What's the other one for?
Damon Pope. Same request.
Why Pope?
What happened?
It's my babies.
Fucking Jax, go ahead.
It's gonna be okay, baby.
Look, this kid hasn't been through enough shit.
Tara's awesome.
This is on Gemma.
What if Wendy finds out? Oh, Jesus.
I fed him, put on a fresh diaper.
Thank you, Hillary.
Here you go, Long Beach.
Okay, thanks.
Hey, next time, a few fingerprints on a glass will suffice.
Jax, Gemma's awake.
Okay, thanks.
Seriously, the fuck?
Were you drunk?
Guys in the van came after her. Ran her off the road, just like you.
Jesus Christ.
Just go take care of business, all right?
Look at Clay go. Look at Clay go. That's a solid move. A lot of problems to take care of that one. That's two birds right there. That's two birds and one stone right there. Jesus.
The company just closed a deal with the city on this property. 5 years from now, this will be affordable housing. Multi-family units.
He doesn't give a shit.
Detailed.
I hardly give a shit.
Maybe I should get me one of them goon squads.
Stay close, Jax. You won't need one.
Go ahead, Pope.
Thank you.
Sure.
Hey!
What happened there?
The Chinese cut him off because he couldn't stop playing with himself.
See, I should have put that together.
This is gross. Everybody being concerned for her.
Shit works. You gotta get in front of it. You tell them the truth. Tell them the truth.
Clay's coming. I thought maybe I should tell you that.
I appreciate it. A little late, but I appreciate it.
Club appreciates you. Pussy's salvation, but make no mistake. You get in my way with Gemma, I'll kill you.
Don't worry, Manu. I don't make mistakes. Not like you.
Great comeback. You're smooth as shit, boy. Wasn't phased even a little bit. Brother, you gotta move faster than that. Two-stepping. He's going up. Oh, you got an escape route. Not an escape route, sir. Oh, there you go. She looks trickety as hell.
The guy we knew in Chino, Frankie Diamonds, he hired us. Gave Charlie his custom chopper, worth like $75K.
Why'd you go after my mom and kids?
We didn't go after your family. I don't even know you, man. The guy led us.
Smarter than the looks.
What do we do with him?
He's dead. Jesus! Jesus fucking Christ! Jax is an animal. I love it. I mean, you can't really let. I mean, he did take a couple shots at you. You can't really let him go.
Come on, Clay.
Don't lie to me.
I'm not.
Hey, you can't tell me the truth, son.
Please, Clay. I can't.
You got no choice.
Jesus.
My father is black. Eli found out. He tried to get me to work with the feds.
Nigga, don't go that far.
Eli threatened me. The feds want the Irish in the cartel. He said that if I gave him some evidence that he would spare the club.
Nigga!
I sent the nomads to the trailer. Unser took down Gogo. I killed Greg. Self-disclosure kills the group. And what we just shared here makes us even. Honest. We're connected. Nobody else needs to know. That's how it works.
That's some next level fucking manipulation right there. Go ahead, Clay. Fucking juice stinks! I don't even want to get that shit off his chest. You can do say my dad's black. I got nervous. He's trying to get me to fucking work with him. Aww, fuck you. Now I definitely can't tell her.
We're keeping them safe.
Guns and knives. Drop the clips. Slide them across the floor.
Oh, no!
Okay.
Shit.
I never went after your family.
Someone went after Gemma and my kids last night.
Now, why the hell would I do that?
Because you're a greasy scumbag animal.
Hey!
Shit is so
on the table.
Yeah, Holmes. Keys in my pocket.
Get the keys.
What's your kid's fucking, farm thing? You want chips? That's not a bad idea.
I'll kill him. You're making a mistake.
Oh, Jesus!
Damn it!
Poor Lila. As if she got involved with these bombs. She had nothing but pain. More problems.
You remember what you promised?
Yep.
I know. Well, we both know that's a lie, right?
So what you saying, man? You want out?
Yeah, I do.
No, that's not your concern, Nero.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me with that shit, right? After all this, I think I earned a little concern. Clay lied about her being run off the road. She wanted to tell you the truth, but she got caught up in all that stuff going on.
What?
Well, what are you gonna do, Prez? You gonna beat the shit out of your mom? Ain't that been done enough by your family?
You know what, bro?
Hey. You want to be with Gemma? Be my guest. She's your problem now.
Nero's out of line. He was out of line telling her. Telling him, rather, about her. Oh, shit.
Yeah, sure. I'll be in NICU.
Fuck. Is it ever gonna do this? I've been drinking.
When you called last night, I was getting high with Unser. Thought I'd be okay to drive. I just didn't want to miss my chance.
Don't do this. Punch.
Get out!
Oh, fuck. She fucked up her hand again? Jesus. Nero fucked up. I'm sorry.
Hey. At least you can look me in the eyes before you kill me, you guinea coward.
Shit! Jesus, get the shit out of her.
Just tell him about Frankie and Chips.
That juice move Clay's gonna pay off here.
I want Frankie Diamonds and anyone else responsible for killing my wife and my unborn child. I know you will find them before I will.
And if I do?
Give them to me and I give you the rat at your table.
Wow. Wow. Feel bad for Juice, but Juice is a fucking idiot. He just played all of this. Starting this season, starting last season, 8 ways to fucking Sunday.
Let the club make the call.
What call?
To cut him out and kill him.
How do we do that?
I have a plan.
Spit it out.
You may not like it.
Oh.
I'm worried about her, Clay. She's already on edge. I'm not sure what happens to her without family. She's gonna need you.
Did he just give him the Nero speech that he got 2 episodes ago? Might have been last episode. Last episode. What the fuck is Jax at here?
You wanna fix the damage you've done?
Yes. Of course I do. No booze, no weed. I'm serious.
It's not that easy.
What the fuck?
No.
Gimme!
Just tell
Gimme!
me. Oh my God.
I need proof. You're gonna get it for me.
What if I can't do that?
Then get used to living in a brothel. Because hookers and bangers are gonna be your only family.
What the fuck? Jax Corleone, god damn! This nigga's the devil. I love it. Alright, that was episode 8 of season 5 of Sons of Anarchy. Whew, where to begin? First things first, as much as I was bothered by the car crash, just in general. Gemma being high, that's why she crashed. I know she woke up in the middle of the night, so her being sleepy might have something to do with it. Just the general suffering that all these ancillary characters are going through. The 2 kids, especially at this point. I must say, it paid off beautifully because Jax Corleone, I must say, he grows more scary by the episode. I don't think we've even reached bottom. If you asked me a few episodes ago, I would have said he's awful and this is probably his new form is awful he's going to get. But it feels like there is no limit to that now. I know he's mad at his mom, and his mom is certainly irresponsible. But to put her next to Clay, who was already beat the shit out of her, in order to get some information, is very dark. To blackmail her with it, either do this or you're out, knowing that's the one thing she gives a fuck about, is even more dark. The fact that he did it with such a fucking scowl on his face is frightening. I'm not mad at it. I'm scared of it. I'm not mad at it. In fact, I'm here for it. The fact that Tara co-signs all these moves now, as his just his dark half, is frightening. Same thing goes for Eli, who's now willing to do whatever it takes, including apparently giving up Juice after you already fucking blackmailed this cocksucker. Juice is an idiot. I like Juice. Juice is an idiot. What do you I want to talk to you about? How about he's blackmailing me because my dad is black, you racist cunt? Full stop. But you can tell he wanted to get it off his chest. He just wanted to get it out there. And yeah, if Eli would have came back like fucking Nero said, sure, but so what? Don't give it all up to Clay? Absolutely not. Then Clay fucking revealing something that he was gonna get caught by anyway. Clay has improved. Clay has improved. Fucking getting nearly killed. Have stepped Clay's strategy game up. I don't know if I want Jax and Pope to be like a team, but I thoroughly enjoy the interactions. Pope seems so relaxed around him. It's so weird. He seems relaxed in general, but he seems to like look at Jax differently. It feels very fucking son-like. What's his name? Frankie? Fucking soy sauce head? I don't know what to say. Nor do I know what to say about Nero and Jax. I get Nero like Gemma. And everything he said this episode was completely correct. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. Anything else? I don't think so. Chips is fine. Fine enough, at least. Post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.